Brad Williams, XL Prime. Section 11, using formulas to manipulate text. There's 10 sections we'll be covering here. 11.1, changing text using Excel formulas. 11.2, what are text functions? 11.3, how to change sentence case. 11.4, using a simple formula to remove spaces from text. 11.5, how to extract ABC from brown ABC bear. 11.6, how to substitute brown bear to black bear. 11.7, how to count specific characters in a cell. 11.8, how to add a line break within a formula. 11.9, changing the case of text. 11.10, advanced text formulas. Earlier in 2022, Excel or Microsoft came out with a couple of new functions that relate to text manipulation. As of June of 2022, they were still in beta format. In other words, it's not available yet to the public, but we're going to cover 3 additional functions that will make your life so much easier in terms of understanding this text manipulation. We're going to go through the old school method because in some cases you may feel more comfortable using the old school text manipulation formats, but 3 additional functions will be text after, text before, and text split. They may be later in the training sessions, but we'll get to them. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for your time.